I'm Muskan Chaudhary. I'm from Jaipur and I'm from Nuts and Bolts Company. And I'm by profession I'm a trainer. So I'm attending this program of NLP like it's since 3 days and it's my fourth day today. So what I can feel, there is a drastic change in the mindset of human being. You know, we are using what technique I am taking, the resourceful and the unresourceful anchors, which we are using on a daily basis, which we have on a daily basis. So uh, by recognizing these anchors, we can motivate ourselves, we can motivate our brain to switch from the resourceful one, and this is more important. And the second which I am taking is that the deep investigation of yourself is very important. Like if you are right now in some issue, some challenge you are facing actually, then you can recognize from your past only okay, where the key points are. We are aware of that, we are living the life, but still we are not aware of the things. So through this NLP program we can recognize these as well. By these NLP program we can make ourselves more productive in life, which I feel we can challenge the daily challenges we are facing and we can combat these things. मुझे मेरा कॉज पता चला फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग विच आई वॉज फेसिंग सिंस 3 years. उस कॉज के बिना मुझे सब कुछ इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा था, सारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन, सारा हीलिंग, सब कुछ इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा था. बट वेन आई गॉट द कॉज आई फील कॉन्फिडेंट इन माई सेल्फ कि अब कुछ हो सकता है. नाउ समथिंग कैन बी डन. विदाउट कॉज यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग ना. इट्स लाइक ठीक है आप हीलिंग कर रहे हो बट किसका हीलिंग कर रहे हो, डोंट नो. So the major thing, the major change or major shift I can feel in myself is finding the cause. Like how to be clear in your thought, how to find the cause.